Want to speed up your coding skills and learn faster? Well, unless you have got a time machine or a clone, you will need these 6 tips, and believe me, they work. I once googled how to code faster and spent hours reading memes. Don't be me. Hey everyone, welcome back to IMS Coding. I am here to help you learn coding without pulling your hair out. If you want to double your learning speed and impress your future self, these 6 tips will be your secret weapons. And stick around till the end because tip number 6 might just save your hours of frustration. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Tip number 1, practice like you mean it. Look, reading about coding is like watching gym workout videos and hoping to get fit. It doesn't work unless you do the reps. Write code every single day, even if it's just a tiny piece. Let me give you an example. If you're learning JavaScript instead of just watching a tutorial on loops, try writing your own loop that prints out the numbers from 1 to 100. Or better yet, the more you type, the more your fingers and brain get used to coding. It's like feeding your brain a daily snack of coding goodness. Even 20 minutes a day can make a huge difference. Remember, consistency beats screaming every time. Tip number 2, break down big problems. Ever tried eating a giant pizza in one bite? Yeah, unless you are a cartoon character, that's not happening. You break it into slices, same with coding problems. Let's say you are building a simple to-do list app. Don't try to code entire thing at once. First, focus on creating the input box, then work on the adding a button to submit task. Next, figure out how to display the task on the screen, one step at a time, and before you know it, you have built a whole app. Breaking problems down like this not only make things easier, but it also keeps you away from feeling overwhelmed. Tip number 3, teach someone. Teaching is one of the best ways to learn. Explain what you have just learned to a friend, a sibling, or even your own cat. If you don't have anyone around you, pretend you are a YouTuber and start giving a tutorial. When you teach, you will realize quickly what you understand and what you don't. For example, if you are learning about arrays, try explaining to someone what an array is and how to use one. If your cat starts yawning, you might be need to simplify it. Tip number 4, focus on one language or a topic at a time. Imagine trying to learn guitar, piano, and drums all at once. You would end up confused, frustrated, and probably with a headache. The same thing happens when you try to learn multiple programming languages at the same time. Pick one language and stick with it until you get comfortable. If you are learning JavaScript, go deep into it. Learn about functions, loops, arrays, and DOM manipulation before you jump to something like Python or React. Believe me, learning one language at a time first will give you confidence and make learning new languages much easier later. Tip number 5, find a coding buddy. Learning to code alone can get boring and sometimes, let's be honest, a little lonely. A coding buddy keeps you motivated and accountable. Imagine you're both working on a project and you hit a bug that makes no sense. Instead of banging your head against the keyboard, you can ask your buddy. Plus, it's way more fun to celebrate your wins together. For example, hey, our app finally works, let's order a pizza. If you don't know anyone who codes, join coding communities online like Discord servers, Reddit groups, or local meetups. You will find people who are just as excited as you are. Now it's time for the tip number 6. Use ChatGPT and Google. Okay, let's be real. No one remembers everything about coding. Even pros use Google, and the trick is knowing how to search. Instead of typing, "Why is my code broken?" be specific. You can search the error. JavaScript type error cannot read property of undefined. But here is the game changer. Use ChatGPT too. Need a quick explanation or stuck on a tricky piece of code? Ask ChatGPT. It's like having a 24 by 7 coding mentor who doesn't judge you. Just remember, Google and ChatGPT are tools and they are not perfect. Don't copy and paste code blindly. Make sure you understand it. Lastly, I want to give you a quick bonus tip. Take breaks. Staring at code for hours makes you overwhelmed. Follow the 45 and 15 rule. 45 minutes of coding and 15 minutes of rest. Your brain will stay fresh and you will actually learn faster. So follow these 6 tips and you will learn to code twice as fast. Maybe even faster if you avoid just 5 more minutes social media breaks. Remember, coding is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay consistent, stay curious, and most importantly, have fun. If you found this video helpful, then like this video and share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then click the subscribe button and also press the bell icon. And comment your best coding tips below. I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding, everyone.